आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Three radio set were purchased by a shopkeeper at a rate of 2275 each. He spent a 225 on each for repairing. He sold one of them at a rate of at a loss of 5%. At what price should the other two should be sold? So the gain of 10% on the sale of these three sets. All right. So how much he total spent? The total spent is on each. All right. So that is 2275 plus 225. So this comes out to be 25,000. So 2500. All right. Now one of them is sold at 5% loss. So one is sold at 5% loss. So how much money is be taken from that? The selling price of one will be 2500. 1 minus 5%. So this makes 2500 times 0.95, right? So this comes out to be 2375. All right. Now the total SP of all three is with the 10% of profit, right? So 3 times 2500 times 1 plus 10% profit, which means 3 times 2500 times 1.01, we can write this. Now this turns out to be equals to 7575. Now the remaining SP of second and third will be 7575 minus 2375. All right. So this becomes 5200. Now this is for two pieces of radio, right? For one, this will be 5200 divided by 2. So this comes out to be 2600 for each. So this is the price at which the other two should be sold.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।